Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor, and here we are at the Dollar Tree Plus section. So let me walk you through. Here we are at the faux flowers, which by the way look great. They really do. And this is really nice. So this is $5, and normally this stuff is either $3 or $5. So it doesn't fluctuate in price. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. These faux plants, little accent pieces for around your home. And then these right here, look at these hydrangeas. That is so pretty. So they also have them in blue, and I can't really see back there. Then they have these and the little milk can buckets, and here they are. Whoops. And here they are. Let me just come down here to my level. Isn't that pretty? Nice little accent piece. We can make these though, and probably for less, but these are already made, so they all look nice. Then you have the lights, the marine string lights. But then you also have these. Aren't these really pretty? I like these. Okay, then we have these, the bulb lights. I like those. And then we have some more of these. What is this? So this is a bat pom-pom garland. All right, so now we have the stepping stone. They have different kind, I guess. So no, these look like just a fish. And then these are left over from the 4th of July. Those are really nice though. This seems like an outdoor seat cushion. And some Harry Potter collectibles over here. All right, here is the 3 mini pack for $5 of the, oh, look at these. Okay. So this is the candy corn pom-pom garland. I love these. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So I already have 2 packs of these. If I need more, I'll come get more. These are candles. Of course, I don't like these things here. I don't like creepy things. Skulls. These are skull lights, and these are pumpkin. And now if you come over here, you have the LED. Aren't these adorable? The LED, I think that's pumpkin. 20 count lights. And look at their pumpkins, guys. Look at the size of them. And even if you wanted to redo them, you know, I would redo them. But look at the colors. These colors are really nice. Now this is a candle, and that is $5. And we don't do spooky stuff. But here are the bling pumpkins. Aren't these gorgeous, guys? So they have the gold. I think the silver also turns to gold, and then the gold, the black turns to gold. And then these, I'm sorry, the silver turns to like a rose gold. These are really pretty though. I like the size of the pumpkins. You could always change them around. And then I like these. So these are just their little jack-o'-lanterns. I like these. So I think these light up. Yep, there's a skull. And there are the ghosts. And these are candles, guys. I think these are candles. Yep. All right, so then we have some placemats. I'm sorry, doormats. And then I like this. This is really nice. If they would have had 2, I might have got it. So that's $5. And then look at these milk cans. Happy fall, y'all. Harvest blessings. Welcome fall. These are so nice. The colors are really nice too. Loving these. And look what I found. This is the pumpkin garland. So this is more up my alley. Okay, now look at this. These are adorable, I guess, for the price. I do believe they're $5. Yep, $5. So you can pick whatever color you want. So you have this one. This is pretty. Then you have this one. It even has a sunflower. And then you have the cream one right here. These are really pretty. I think as an accent piece, look at this, the purple one. Absolutely gorgeous. I think, you know, for a quick little accent piece in your home, and you have your traditional orange, this is a cute accent piece if you don't feel like making it yourself. And then you have these in the galvanized metal pots, $5. This is a great buy. All right, so they do have some canvas art, and that's really pretty. So they have some of those, and these are $5. And look how big those jumbo sports water bottles are. And these are little wall shelves. I cannot wait to get into my new place, guys. Oh my goodness. What a new chapter in my life right now. So raining, a Lotus, nope. But if you guys like this stuff, it's $5. Look at the size of these water bottles. Then you have some more LED fountains with stones, and this is the Himalayan salt. And then some more faux flowers. These are really nice right here. Again, these are really cute for a quick little accent, maybe in a bathroom. So now what I will say is that I am liking, like right here you have the pan and the cover for it in case you have to go and take a dish to someone's house. And then look how deep these mixing bowls are in the tin. They have this, the tumbler, and it's a coffee or whatever people drink. And you have some more of the silver tumblers here, and look at the size of these pans. So your DIYs can actually, you can ramp them up to a whole other level. I mean, you can actually use this to make a table maybe. And look at the size of these bamboo cutting boards. This is such a nice size. Here's some more tumblers. And look at their water bottles with the wood top. I'm not crazy about the color, so I guess I would probably do the screen right here. I don't know. I don't like too many bright colors. But look at them. Absolutely gorgeous. And they have the frying pans, the bamboo, and here's some little pots. Okay. And I absolutely love their craft stuff. I'm going to start out with these wood canvases right here. The wood canvases are gorgeous. Okay, so that one is, they're $3. And then look at this. You can decorate these and fill them up with some little accent stuff for the holiday, maybe some pumpkins. And then here are the little trays, and those trays you can use for vignettes. I'm loving those wood canvases. I think they're gorgeous. Now these easels are much bigger than the crafter section, but these are more expensive, so depending on what you need it for. And look, you can just get the chalk. Look how nice that size is. You can put that on your counter, and when everybody comes home, they'll know exactly what they're eating. They have chalk here now. I don't know if they do by you, but they didn't by me, but now they do. So these are really nice. And look at the size of the easel tops, and then these make great DIYs. So I think we need to go around the bend and see what else they have. So let me get my carts. So as we go around the corner here, we have these balls. Okay, let's see what else they have. Another thing that I'm seeing is that hey y'all sign that you can place outside. So let's start on this side over here. So look at this. They even have the canvas in black, but this is your regular canvas, but in black, and here it is in white. And you usually get two, but in the black it's just one. So of course the better buy is the two in white. Here's some fabric rounds, and these are some more fabrics. You can make some nice, if you cut these into strips, you can make some nice wreaths. Look how nice that is. Or maybe some napkin, maybe some napkins for tablescapes. And then back there's the camper and the truck. Okay. And here you have the tumbler, spinner, battery operated. This is if you're doing DIYs with tumblers. Now here you have the mixing cups. This is for the resin, and I don't see any, so they probably ran out. And some foil flakes. These foil flakes are really pretty. And look at the colors they come in. And that is crushed glass filler. I like that. I don't know. Silicone, these are silicone molds. Look at that, that's so nice. So I didn't see the silicone molds for jewelry before. And look at these, mixed glitter. And look at these. clay fillers. And then they have nice big bottles of paint. I think that's a good buy. This place is like right down the street, and it beats driving all the way to Walmart. So they also have this size glitter, again for $3. I don't think that's a bad buy. So we have some more canvas, and here's a nice chart. And I love their sketch pads, which, by the way, a lot of their section reminds me of Five Below. Okay, so we have $5 for these Sharpies. I don't know how 7 come in here. That's pretty nice. And here are your watercolor pencils, and here are your art brushes, and some tools in the center. Look at this, watercolor paint cake, and then acrylic paint. And look at this, a chalkboard. This is really good in the kitchen to write notes. And look at their journals. Don't these make some nice gifts if you know somebody who likes to journal? And this is a nice color. I like the gray, very nice. So like I said, the sketch pad, and then look at this embroidery hoop kit. And they have different kind. Very nice. And then this section here is all toy stuff. I'm liking those little round pillows. They're so cute, aren't they? I guess they call them plush pals. So that's cute, the alligator. So now we get into the part that I call Five Below. Like, I don't know, that's what it reminds me of. So you have the Bluetooth headset over there, and then you have the little speaker here. And look, you even have the little disco light. This is a radio. And then this, let's see. This is the same. Here's a shower speaker and some more. What is this here? A portable wireless speaker. And then this is pretty neat though. If you are videotaping with your phone, there's a little ring light on the bottom. This is, you can't beat this for $5. And then here's a stand for your phone, desk mount. I like that. I think I have that already. And then here's the wireless one, wireless charger and the mouse pad. Probably should pick up one of these. There's another shower speaker. I don't listen to music in the shower, so I wouldn't need those. And then you have some Bluetooth headset, and look at the mouse. Isn't this nice? I like that. Okay, so here are the t-shirts. I grab them all the time because when I do DIYs, I love to use graphic shirts. This way I know to go to a graphic t-shirt, and that is my DIY. That's my DIY t-shirts. And there's some socks. Then you have some, these are really nice size bins for organizing, you know, your crafts. And here's a collapsible basket, and there is your collapsible folding stool. The shower curtains are heavy duty, so that's really nice, and your storage bins are better quality than your normal dollar ones. And then these are the throw rugs. Is that not awesome? These baskets are pretty deep. And then let's go over here. So these are the pillows I was talking about. So they have these little throw pillows or these little fuzzy ones. Then you have regular throws. Here you have some bathroom rugs, and look at the towels. The washcloths. Look at that one, has the Eiffel Tower. Now we get into the area, the cleaning, paper towel and toilet paper. Guys, if you are in a pinch and you don't want to go anywhere else, you definitely want to pick these up. They're not bad quality, and they have really thick the leggings. I wear leggings, you know, just for everyday to day stuff. And what is this? A durable metal construction mount. What is that? A sleek magnetic vent mount. Okay, and then these hooks are pretty nice, aren't they? I like these. They remind me of gems. So these baskets are pretty big, and look, they have the laundry detergent. Okay, the auto ban right here. I used to have to go to Home Depot to get it. When you have pets, that's really good because it cuts the odor right away. And this odor blaster right here, Arm & Hammer, this works great. It smells so good. These things, but look at this, Myers. Now you know these, I used to have to go to Target to pick this up. This costs a lot of, you know, it's expensive. Then you have the Lysol, and then the Zep. I couldn't believe I found the Zep, and here is the Auto Ban disinfectant. And there you have the wipes, and look at this. Okay, you have the the Myers multi-surface cleaner, and then some Armor All stuff for the car. Then you have some of the dryer sheets and some garbage bags, something quick. If you don't need to run into the supermarket or whatever to get it, you can always pick something up from this section here if you need it. And then this is their little audio section. They really cut this down a lot from what it used to be, but they have newer items. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you guys this plus section at the Dollar Tree. I love it. I think everything here is great. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and God bless.